Your solicitation can be perfect on paper and still lose to a protest. You get the PWS tight, the QASP thorough, the IGCE balanced, and Section M compliant. Then a protest hits because the documents don't match each other. Each piece passes review alone, but the seams between them are where you get hurt. That mismatch can force corrective action, rework, and months of delay. It also weakens your evaluation, your CPAR's records, and your award defense. The fix isn't better writing, it's a fast document crosswalk before release. If the PWS says weekly, the QASP must measure weekly, not monthly. If Section M says factors are equal, the source selection plan can't score them like they aren't. If the IGCE has a cost line, the PWS must have matching work and scope. If evaluators write strengths and weaknesses, each one must tie to Section M, no extra criteria. If you evaluate a capability, the PWS must actually require it, and vice versa. If base and option years change scope, your PWS, pricing, evaluation, and IGCE must change together. If the award memo summarizes results, it must match the record, word for word where it matters. GAO protests often succeed on this simple issue. The agency evaluated differently than it said. Cradle to Contract teaches teams to run this crosswalk like a quick defensive audit. So don't just ask, "Are my documents good?" Ask, "Do my documents fit together like one system?" Sign up to our newsletter now for all the latest free C2C content. Visit www.cradle2contract.com.